We're going to show you how to swap out your large banner stand banner. What you're going to need: scissors, masking tape, marking utensil, clear packaging tape, and the little silver key that was found in your black bag. It should be in the pocket of the bag that this product was shipped with. This is a lockout key. Okay? What you're going to wind up doing is you're going to need a lot of room, and if you can get a second hand, it's always a plus. What you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and take your banner, lay it down on the table, and extend it out. Okay? Extend it all the way out to when you see this white leader strip. This white leader strip actually is what the banner is attached to. Okay? What you're going to do is you're going to take your key that you received, and in the end of the banner stand, there is a little slot. That key will fit in that slot. You're going to allow it to retract back slightly until the key pops into place. That locks your banner out. Okay? Next, what you're going to do is I like to turn the banner stand upside down. Taking masking tape, you're going to wind up putting a piece of masking tape on either end of the banner stand. That will lock it in place so it doesn't move on you. Okay? Next, you may or you may not have a piece of clear packaging tape on the banner now. If you do, all you're going to wind up doing is peeling it back and removing it. That's all there is to it, and then you'll go ahead and discard that. For the banner itself, very carefully, you're going to work the banner back off of the leader strip, peeling it back, okay, like this. What that does, you don't want to rip or tear that leader strip, okay? Once we do that, we can go ahead and just take this banner, fold it forward, okay? So what we need to do now is we need to remove the top portion, okay? So what we'll do, just take that like that. The top portion has two clips on it. It's a locking system that locks the banner into place. You'll remove the clips and set them over to the side, okay? This can be a little tricky. You're going to wind up working the banner stand back open. This back side here. Notice how it's attached. There's a lip on the back side. We need to make sure when we replace it, that lip is on the back side also. And all you're going to do is just keep working it back and forth with your hands until it snaps open. At which point, banner pops right out. Okay? So we'll set that down. What you'll do now is you'll actually go and get your new banner. Take the new banner that was sent to you, okay? And basically, again, you just want to make sure that your leader strip is down there, okay? So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take that and tape that down again so it doesn't move, okay? Basically, what you're going to wind up doing is there's a tape on the back side of your banner. You're going to go ahead and remove that tape, the masking that goes over the top, okay? And then you're going to take that banner and center it in that area, lining it up with the line that's there, okay? Taking it and very carefully putting it down, okay? That locks it into place, and as you can see, the adhesive is sticking. But to be safe, what we do is we wind up taking the packaging tape, similar to how you removed it. What you'll do is you grab your your packaging tape. You're going to take it and center it between the two of the leader strip and the actual banner. You want it to lay as flat as possible, okay? Then you take your scissors and trim it right off at the edge of the leader strip, okay? On both sides. It's important to get it right along the edge because you don't want it to get gummed up inside the banner stand itself. Okay? Then what you're going to wind up doing is go ahead and unfolding the banner back, so that you're at the top end of the banner. Okay? And again, if you can get a second hand, it makes all the difference in the world. But what you're going to wind up doing, again, like we said, you can see that the frame actually opens up. What you're going to wind up doing is opening that section up and taking the frame itself and sliding it all the way down the actual banner itself, okay? So that it locks in, okay? Once you get it into place, you just want to kind of center it in there and make sure that it's all the way up, all the way down, okay? I mean all the way inside that frame. Then what you're going to do is with your hands, try and snap that frame back down. Work it across the table so that it locks into place. Once you get it locked into place, okay, and you've got that ledge on the back side, you're going to take your caps, okay, and pop them back into the edge. Okay? They lock in on either side. And again, because they're plastic, you just want to be careful when you put them in. Then all you'll do, again, is just kind of fold the banner back up so that you have some room. Okay? Take your your masking tape off either end. Okay? Save one of the pieces of masking tape. I'll show you what we're going to do with it in a minute. Turn the banner stand back over on its side. Okay? Okay? With your right hand, kind of lock it into place and hold it into place. With your left hand, pull that pin. You can feel the retraction right away. And then all you're going to wind up doing is very slowly allow that banner to feed itself back in. It's on a spring, so it's going to retract right back for you. Okay, and you just want to make sure that it's going in evenly on both sides, that you have the space on both sides. Okay? Okay. And that's all there is to it. After you get the banner stand set up, you're going to take one of those pieces of tape and this key. Again, take the key that you have, put the tape on it, slide one of the legs over, just pop the key on the bottom. That way you always know where it is.